Hi, I'm Bob the Bulldozer. Click here to play. Okay, here goes nothing. You have one more chance, tow truck. You can call on me.
I'm Tommy. I like to help my friends.
Tomorrow is the grand opening of this Burglar Collaborate.
Oh, I would love to.
Now I have to get busy. See you later. I'll just have to take care. Don't do that again! Win! For backpack case. I had a feeling something really bad is about to. Oh, good luck! Woohoo! Yay, 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 yay! Leucine for backpack case. This is all I can get. Huh? Hello, who wants cookies? Ah! Death cutscene. Hey, wake up, Thiepy! I have 2 more lives, which means 2 more chances. I have a normal cat. No, not a cat. Bulldozer. They don't call me Lucky Bulldozer. So let's get our heads back in the game. Because if you don't, I might lose mine. Death cutscene when you do nothing. Get your fingers out of your nose and onto the mouth. One cutscene for Striker. Hello, I'm Striker! Oh dear, will I take you back? Now what should I do? God, woohoo! Nothing quite beats me. Lose cutscene. First the Striker. Well, this stinks. What's this? Nice bear.